I make new violins, violin family instruments, violins, violas, and cellos, and I do all kinds of work on old ones. Everything from restoring them to doing setup and maintenance work. And then I also teach at the Violin Making School of America, helping aspiring violin makers learn how to make violin family instruments from start to finish. Typically, it's a pretty busy day, especially given that I have a new baby now. I spend the mornings in my own studio where I work on instruments. So, for example, this will one day be a violin. These will join together. So I'm making individual pieces by hand, or then in the afternoon I go and I teach at the Violin Making School. So yeah, so it's a combination of doing my own work and then teaching, and then of course helping with my family. The background in music that I got at Guilford was a big foundation for me, and still is. But I spent a lot of time after graduating Guilford as a woodworker. So I did everything from built houses to barns to custom furniture. I did a lot of woodworking, and then eventually was able to put my woodworking interest and my musical interests together and do them at the same time in violin making. I think one of the great things that Guilford offers is the ability to study a specific subject area, but also think a lot about how that subject fits into the broader world, how it fits into our social reality, what good can be done with knowledge in that subject. And so I would encourage people to explore that.